Today on COC, we're going to show you how to clean a UNI air filter. The first thing we're going to do is remove the outer air box cover. There's a bolt at the top and a bolt at the bottom. Make sure you pull it from behind your fender and pull it out of the grommet. So now we're going to take a screwdriver and take the clamps off the inner cover. Got a little crazy with that one. Should be, yep. There's one more over here on this side. Okay. We got them all. Okay. I'm just gonna let that dangle right there. Ooh. Ew, look what come out. Now we're going to take the clamp off and remove the filter. Okay, let's see if it's loose enough. I don't think so. Just like that. This is our two-stage UNI filter. And we have our cleaner and our oil. And we'll put that in the link below. First, we're going to separate our two filters. And then we're going to shake all the dust out of them. There's a lot of dust. So this is what we got off just by shaking the filters out. So now we're going to take our cleaner and we're going to spray the inside and the outside of our filter. Now that we got both filters all sprayed, we're gonna let it sit there for about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rinse them with just plain water. It's been 3 minutes now, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse with our plain water. Oh man, look at all that dirt coming out. the other. This one you might have to scrub a little bit. But look at how much cleaner it's already getting. Well, we got a lot of the dirt off, but the can says you can reapply it and let it sit again. So I think with this one, we're gonna have to spray it down and let it sit again. Because see, we still have some dirt on there I can't get off yet. So we're gonna spray that again and let it sit. So, now that we let our filters dry overnight, we're gonna take our oil and just lightly spray them. Now you don't have to get carried away with this, just lightly. There's one. And we're back to the beginning on that one. So now that we have our filter oiled, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall it. So now that we have our filter reinstalled, we're gonna go ahead and take our screwdriver and tighten our hose clamp down. Now that we have our filter where we want it and clamped down, we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on. In order to put it on, you gotta push those clamps back on it. Now that the inner cover is back on, we can go ahead and put the outer cover back on. So I'm going to start by putting it in the grommet. I'm going to push it behind the fender there. Line up our bolt hole. Okay. This is the tricky one. Okay. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Until next time, bye!